Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep your Dodge Challenger from being stolen. First, recognize that these vehicles are popular targets due to their desirability and ease of access for experienced thieves. Implementing a multifaceted approach to security is crucial. We'll cover various strategies, from simple physical deterrence to advanced electronic systems, ensuring your prized possession stays safe. Let's dive into the best ways to protect your investment. Physical deterrents are your first line of defense. A visible steering wheel lock like a club can deter opportunistic thieves who prefer an easy target. Consider a brake pedal lock, which physically prevents the pedal from being depressed, making the car impossible to drive. Always choose parking spots that are well lit and have plenty of foot traffic, as this significantly reduces the likelihood of a theft attempt. These simple steps add valuable layers of protection. Beyond physical locks, electronic security offers robust protection. An aftermarket alarm system with GPS tracking can alert you to unauthorized movement and help locate your vehicle if it's stolen. A hidden kill switch, disabling the fuel pump or ignition, makes it nearly impossible for thieves to start the engine. Additionally, storing your key fob in a Faraday pouch blocks signal relay attacks, a common method for keyless entry vehicles. These upgrades provide peace of mind. Finally, consistent best practices are essential. Never leave your key fob inside your Challenger, even for a moment, as this is an open invitation for theft. Always ensure your doors are locked and all windows are fully closed, even when parked in your driveway. Remember, vigilance is key to preventing theft. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.